my friends. We have something exciting going on. We got some new toys. Some of you guys saw it already. We got some toys from Eastwood. I don't know if you can read. I can't. There's words on there. And this one says, do the job right. I think they're talking shit, actually, when they say that. They might be. Someone wrote a question mark on there. That's kind of funny. Maybe they're talking shit. This is the Eastwood Tig 200 digital welder. This is the TIG welder that I've wanted for like probably 2 or 3 years now. And we're gonna open it up. It's a pretty good price. And they have a non-digital version. It's a Tig 200. And that one's like 600 bucks. So that's a really good price for that one. I got this one because it's supposed to do thinner metal, it'll do thinner aluminum, so I really am excited about this. Hopefully we can build some cool stuff. My MIG boogers are shaking in their boots right now. So that's all I got to say. Here it is. It's a thing. This is going to be the most exciting unboxing video. I also got a cart. That's what's in the other box. So we can go through and see what's all in there. Gas hose. This is the foot pedal. Comes with a foot pedal. Comes with a foot pedal. So this should be pretty cool. And I will say, guys, I have never done any TIG welding in my life. So if you are like me, and you have never done any TIG welding before, and you want to learn, this will be the perfect series to watch, because I'm going to show you guys what I do with this thing. The good, the bad, and the ugly, you know that. I don't hide anything, so, and I'm not ashamed of it. There's just the Tig Torch and all the goodies. Pretty cool. And I might actually get with my cousin. I'll try to insert some of his welding that he's done in the video here. And I might actually get with him, like go travel to where he is. He's in the same state, but he's a couple hours away. We're thinking about getting together and doing some welding, and he's really good, and I would like him to maybe teach me what to do, so learn a little bit and make some videos. So let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing that. And we can definitely make that happen. Ground. We got another box. This must just be the extra box that they put in there. Regulator. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. And I do have a little bottle of argon already for some aluminum welding, so that's good. I got a C25 bottle and a little argon bottle. I might have to buy a bigger one now. Forgot what was in that one already. That's how well my brain works. So what I wanted to do, because this is the cart that has like 2 levels on it, it's supposed to be like the welder and the plasma cutter cart, but I think I might take my MIG welder and try to put it on the same cart. Okay, dokie, so here's the front. It's got some buttons, a little spinny thing there. This is a AC/DC TIG, and it's going to have it's going to be able to do stick welding also. It has a pulse function. I believe that's to kind of keep some of the heat away. So that's pretty cool. Helps it get a little bit thinner. When I talked to Eastwood about this, they said it goes down to 10 amps on aluminum. So 10 amps, I don't know how thin you can get with that, but it should go less than a 16th. Let's see if there's some settings on it. Alright, so here's all the different settings. DC TIG, DC TIG Pulse, AC TIG, AC TIG Pulse, AC TIG Mix, TIG Spot. So output range, like I said, goes down to 10 amps. So that's pretty cool. And what I did find in the book, if we do AC TIG Pulse for aluminum, I guess you guys can tell I'm a little bit more interested in what it's going to do with aluminum. But it shows 1 millimeter workpiece thickness on there. That's showing some different settings and stuff, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty small. And here's another one for stainless. and aluminum 1mm. Alright, so there it is. Without actually turning it on and hooking it up, I don't really know what else to explain to you guys. It's in a box and it's got some stuff. Let's get this cart together, and if I'm really ambitious, maybe we can even lay some beads later. Alrighty, so I got everything pretty much on the cart now. I don't think I'm going to hook it up today, but just got this thing all set up now. The Hobart on the bottom and the other one on the top. I like that this thing actually has the handles on the side to hold all the stuff. My other one didn't have that. So that's pretty cool. And I'm going to have to figure something else out different if I want to run 2 bottles on there. We're going to have to find somebody with a welder and then make me a new bracket. Right here, something. Move this thing over a little bit. And I think I might actually get a taller bottle and just run 2 bottles here or something like that. But yeah, I'm excited to use this thing. Stick around, subscribe. We're going to make some cool stuff.